first taught me this, now it's my turn to talk. But when he first taught me this song, I said, hey, this is Old Lang Syne. He's like, what are you talking about, Old Lang Syne? He'd never heard of it. So it's called Jansa Moyo. We're singing in the language of Shona. Tafato's from Zimbabwe. It's a long story, but that's where we met. And we're going to sing this one for you.
I was just saying, even if your parents are not the coolest people that you want, they are your parents. That doesn't change. So whether you disagree, I think you should honor, respect him. I think that's the only thing that I've seen, that there is not much appreciation of the gift of life. So at times when people when you are well, you don't realize that, the gift of life that I have is the most important thing that can ever happen to me. So please, if you have your parents still alive, or maybe your grandparents or whoever, just respect them. That's where the life came from.
That's right. So, Mbira Spirit, yes, thank you. Mbira Spirit likes to take you on a bit of a cultural experience, we call it, as we travel from Zimbabwe there, and now we're going to head over to South Africa. And this is a song, a love song, very appropriate as we head into Valentine's Day. And it's called Say It. It was originally written by the Hurricanes. They were quite popular, I think, around the time of the Beatles. And even before that, see, there you go.
Yes.
And we say that we're searching for the Hurricanes. We don't know what's happened to them.
Thank you so much. Because, you know, I know, thank you so much. I've been looking for any other person that knows the Hurricanes.
Yeah, we call it searching for the Hurricanes.
Thank you so much.
quite as bouncy as I normally am.
This is why I wanted the soup too.
So the soup, yes. We might need another order.
The soup, Ma, we want some soup.
Yeah. So this next song, Tabaza, coming from Zimbabwe, it's a landlocked country. So when he finally came to Canada, it's pretty exciting for him. But to come to an island was also an experience, because then I decided I wanted to take him to see all the fabulous islands that are even off our island, and that required ferries. And he doesn't swim, and doesn't know anything about boats. So it was quite an experience, but we had a lot of fun, and everywhere we went, we managed to meet lots of great musicians and play music with them, and then we just kept going to more and more islands, and this song called Ferry Me Home came out of it. And we just put out a CD on January 1st, and we're happy that this is going to play on CBC and quite a few other radio stations. It's making its way to Zimbabwe. So here we go.
Victoria,
Thank you to Irene, thank you to Mark, thank you to Shauna, thank you to Otto, thank you to Nat, yes, and Dan.
Yeah.
Thank you to the most wonderful guys that I've been learning from so much. Forgive my name. Those two guys.
Pete and Brian.
Yes, I've learned so much from these guys.
You know, we were so pleased to come down and be part of this. And the best part was actually coming to the rehearsals and meeting these wonderful musicians that you've seen tonight. So a big round of applause for everybody, because they're just great people with great hearts, and I love their music, and that's what it's all about. So it's been a real pleasure. And this next song, we're going to sing for you.
Yes, Sporting Dreadlocks. Most people would think that I'm from Jamaica, but I'm from Zimbabwe. So then I remembered a story when I was in college, early 2000. There was we heard a story about this guy. So that when he was like the son of a mayor, you know. So he had gone to the States. You know, when your father is the mayor, you are like well connected. So he had gone to the States to study, you know. But you know, when you grow up with so much money, at times you don't really understand the importance of like studying, because you grow up with so much, you know, so that even when you go out, there's no time for school because you are just well off. So he ended up playing basketball, not like professional, but those guys that just go to play basketball and do some weightlifting. So now his father passed away. So the people that were from home now were like looking for him. His name was John. So they were going all over, like, do you know John? They say, oh, John from Jamaica. And they say, oh, no, from Zimbabwe. They say, oh, no, we only know John from Jamaica. So they went about, the only John that people could know was John from Jamaica. Then they said, okay, let us see that John from Jamaica. Then they were taken to John from Jamaica, and then he was in the basketball court, you know, bouncing, you know, like with some beers, this and that, having a nice time. And he was told that, oh, your father is no more, and he did not even have any money because he was not working. He had dropped college. So the boys had to run around and to help him to get money. Then he came to Zimbabwe. So I saw him the first week that he arrived, because now he had like a plastic bag of beers. He waltzes into college because it's not allowed to bring beer into the college. Then we see this guy, we're like, wow, how does he do that? Because the security, and so we're like, wow, maybe it's like security. Let's not talk to this guy. Because he offers us beer. And you're like, wow, who offers people beer? We said, no. Then after maybe 2 months, we heard that, wow, this guy, he went to the States. He was like John from Jamaica. So when I came here, people were like, Jamaica. I'm like, wow, I'm starting to be like John very soon.
He always surprises me with his stories. I don't know what this has to do with.
Yeah, so we have started playing songs from Jamaica. So I'm from Jamaica. Because the times it's so, you can't say no all the time. Then you say, okay, yes, I'm from Jamaica.
Are we doing Cherry? Oh, that's fine. All right. I thought we were doing something else, but now I get it. We're doing a reggae song from Jamaica. Another great one for Valentine's Day, Cherry O Baby. I'm sure you might know that one.
Please, man, go, my choice, come over.
song now to tell you again how mothers are so important. So she would wake me up in the morning, like super morning, like, 4 o'clock, such kind of thing. Moms really do get up early. So we would get up early, I would be grumpy, we would go to the fields. So she would start singing. Even going to the fields, she would start singing, but she would sing alone. I would not be in that mood. Then by the fields again, maybe I would start singing. After an hour, she would sing and sing. Nobody would join in. At the time, everyone would join in then. So I think I also became somehow, in my eyes, my mom's favorite child because I listened to her. So we ended up...
And his other 7 brothers and sisters are not here to defend themselves.
Not about them. I'm talking about even my wife. She said no to her mom right here. About no, can you start first? Yeah. So I'm just saying to show you, even here she said no to her mom. Even if I know that she is the most person closer to her than anyone, even me, I will not claim that spot. The mom is. So to show you again, these songs, I would say, Mom, your songs are so boring. Your songs are so boring. But now we sent the CD. So the CD arrived maybe yesterday. But it will get to the village maybe after 3 more days. So I'm just waiting her face, when she hears the songs that she would, one of them is this one. So it's on the CD. So I'm just waiting to see how she will like, oh, but you were saying these songs are boring. So why are you singing? Why are you singing them? So she would be saying, give me my money. So I'm just waiting about that. So again to show you how moms are on our side. I did not even know that I would be singing these songs later. So and she was also the best dancer, but she was saying, no mom, you are not the best. But the styles that she taught me, that's what I do now. So I'm like, well, so I can't wait to tell her that, okay, mama, I'm sorry, I was growing up. So
one of the things I loved about Zimbabwe music is it really does lift your spirits and it uplifts you. And in Zimbabwe, when music is played, nobody sits like this, I can tell you that. That's right. They get up and they dance, they sing, they clap. They don't care if they're in tune. They just sing. And when you walk outside on a Sunday in Zimbabwe, you can hear churches over there, you can hear churches over there, you can hear choirs just singing. It's just beautiful. So this is a song that's kind of a mix of 2 songs.
Yes.
So feel free to please just whatever lifts your spirits in this song, go for it. It's our last one. It's the last one of the night. You can just listen, but if you want to clap, you want to sing, we don't care if you're in tune, just go for it.
And also, a happy wife is a happy life.
And it works for me. It's always worked. It always works for me, that one.
So I figured out that in good time.
You really did.
My head, Hey Mike, can I give you my dead guy?